What's up, Boot Nation? This is Club Manager Ben from the Boot Buyers Club. We're here in frigid Minnesota. It's 20 degrees out, putting to test how tough steel toe boots really are by bringing in a sledgehammer. To see what a sledgehammer can really do to an inanimate object, we have luckily had this watermelon. Let's check it out. Watermelon. All right, that was awesome. But some of you are probably thinking, is that sledgehammer even real? Luckily, we have a cinder block that we could test our sledgehammer on. Let's do it. Cinder block. All right, sledgehammer confirmed real. Now let's see what happens when you take the sledgehammer to a soft toe boot. This one's from my Tasca and it has a soft rubber tip. What we're gonna do is put in this banana, signifying your human foot, and smash it with the sledgehammer. Let's see how this banana does. All right, here we go. Banana going in to the soft toe boot. Let's see how she holds up. Soft toe. Go. All right, so obviously soft toe boots won't do, and that banana just had the worst day of its life. Let's move on to the big show, the Super Bowl of Sledgehammer Boot Destruction Day. This is steel toe boot, okay? There's nothing going through here, all right? So we're gonna put in our new banana into the steel toe, and we're gonna take a whack at it, and we're gonna see how this banana compares to the soft toe boot banana. Let's do her. Steel toe. Oh, would you look at that? Delicious and protected. All right, so we just took a sledgehammer to a steel toe boot, and the steel toe boot held up. There's a little scuff to the leather, but the steel toe, the cap, everything is still in good shape. So now you know how protected you're gonna be with a steel toe boot like this. And if you need to go pick yourself up a pair at up to 50% off, head to www.bootbuyersclub.com for stomping good deals.